Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and today I will tell you how you can mine Bitcoin on your computer. Go to the link in the description of the video. Opens the site of this project, then we download the program. When downloading the program, archive everywhere, click allow. With this program you can mine coins such as Bitcoin, Chia and Sui. Unpack the archive. Password 2023. After unpacking, we see the program installation files. Install the program file digital mining setup. Run our program. In the upper panel of the program, we see 3 indicators of mined coins, which are now equal to 0. The program works on the power of your computer, and the more powerful it is, the faster the mining. In the right part of the program shows the mining speed of each coin. As we can see, already started mining coins, and instead of zeros appeared fresh data at the end of the video. I will tell you how many coins I managed to mine and withdraw for a couple of days test. In the output panel, we see the minimum amount of mined coins to withdraw funds to our wallet. The program mines only when it is active and the computer is on the internet. As promised. I managed to mine and withdraw coins to the amount of $120 in 3 days. Good luck and profit.